Day 19th of April, about lunchtime. I swung by the boys up the hill. They were nice enough to give me some scrap metal to fine-tune my notcher. I gotta set the blade gap and everything else. I did a video yesterday doing this notch, and I lost the video. So right now, here's the scale. This mark right here is 6 inches. This mark right here is 6 inches. So without using any guides, you just set it on the marks, and you have roughly a 6x6 notch. Okay, so 16 gauge material, 6x6. That is the full rated capacity of this notcher. I already turned it on, so let's see what happens. That would be a 6x6 notch. Okay, small burr on this blade over here. I can adjust that out with the gap adjustment. That's one of the reasons I needed this material. I need 7/1000 clearance, and I need to check that. It's actually a fairly easy adjustment. So one big ass chunk of metal, 6x6. That'll be the last time this thing ever has to notch anything that big. Most notches are 1/2 inch to 1.5 inch, 2 inch, little box flanges. But she did a full notch at rated capacity. And that small burr, that's nothing. I can adjust that out. So she'd be a good one. That's all for this one. Thank you.